Hi guys. My friend said that I should do this. And I had to do it. I'll bring you click there and click so and bada bada baby bum. Then promo codes. Then you come right here and then you click free robux. And before you click redeem, click there and inspect. And then it's redeem. Free robux. Like that, then save, slash. And then you click right there. But I won't show you guys. It's gonna function for somebody, but not for me. I have already done it. Invalid promo code. And then you click catalog. Then it should be like 500,000 robux right here. But it doesn't gonna come for me because I have already done it. Bye guys, it was enough for today. It was a super don't long video. Bye. See you later, alligator. No. I'm just gonna show you the best game in the world. Assassin 2. Oh, you guys need to test the game. And every box costs zero. Now Hugo, you're gonna be on YouTube. My friend. Just like that, and look when you click the Elite Case 0 and click there, and then you buy. Bye guys. Peace out.